Hello and welcome to this introductory case study in this course, Excellence in Digital Marketing. So in this, we will give you a case study of gaining excellence in digital marketing to make a successful career, not only one time, but a career in digital, internet and social media marketing that is successful. So here is this case study, a challenging case study that you can see. And here basically what we're trying to do is to help you see how can one individual deliberately build excellence in digital, internet and social media marketing and turn into a successful global digital marketing career. So how did one person actually did is this whole case study about. So let's take a look at this case study of from being in demand from being invisible. And this is a case study of Neha Sharma, name mask, face mask. Neha is a BBA graduate, has worked for 2 years in an offline sales job in a local furniture store in India, but she is willing to be located anywhere in the world. And her goal is to transition to a digital internet and social media marketing, get clients and employers globally, and build a solid future proof career. Right? Future proof is the word here. Where is she? What is her situation? What are the problems? Let's take a look at them. So she knew only basic social media posting like Facebook, Instagram, right? Like many of us start. She has no real understanding of the SEO, funnels, email marketing, and analytics. She has no portfolio, no case studies, no proof of digital skills, right? And she has been rejected by multiple times or a digital marketing executive role because of lack of hands-on experience. And she feels stuck. She feels stuck because everyone wants a digital marketing experience. But how do I get experience if no one gives me a chance? Sounds familiar? Right, right. So let's take a look at the challenge Neha is facing. In her company, she has two things: a dying Facebook page and a stagnant store. The owner of the furniture is complaining that the walk-ins are declining. A new competitor was running online ads, and the store's Facebook page had only 200 followers, no engagement. And the website existed but had almost no traffic, no leads. So he told Neha, we need online business, not just a Facebook page. How can you help? Please think about it. And Neha saw this as an opportunity. That's the first thing. Many of this see as, complaints, uh, about to get fired, but she saw an opportunity in this. And what is the opportunity she saw? If I can transform this small local business using digital, I can gain real experience and build a powerful portfolio by using this as a case study. And this became her personal digital marketing challenge. Now, what was the turning point? So, from posting online to thinking like a digital marketer was the case, now Neha decided, and that is her decision, to treat this store like her first client and use it to build excellence in digital marketing step by step. And so just turn the tables, right? And she created her own personal learning and action plan that was called Digital. So this was the Neha's digital ladder, a seven-step journey from a beginner to a digital marketing professional. Let's take a look at this as we go forward. So the D here, first one is stands for defining the right digital goals. So instead of getting more likes, Neha asked, how many, leads per month do we want from the online? How many of these leads should we convert to store visits or orders? And what is the average order value? Now, here you can see she's asking questions that can drive business through digital marketing. And she set clear targets. What were the targets she said? 100 website leads per month. You need to be very specific, right? Then you can get them. 20 store visits from these leads and 5 new customers a month via digital marketing. And you see, she had just made her first personal lead, professional lead, from activity of posting to outcome-based digital marketing. So she worked back by of getting customers through visits and websites and started working on that. So that is the first step of defining the right digital goals. Second step of her framework was I for identifying the right audience and online behavior. So she defined a simple customer persona. What are the kind of customers that would have traction with her campaign? And these were like urban professionals, 28-45, recently moved home, searching for space saving furniture, modular sofas, and office chairs online. So that's how she defined her customer persona in a simple way. Then she used Google search suggestions, competitors' Facebook and Instagram ads, and real customer questions in the store. Mind the word, real customer questions in the word. And she discovered that people were not searching for beautiful furniture. They were searching for sofa cum bed in a small room, ergonomic chair for back pain, and study table for kids in small space. And these insights became the foundation for her content and ads. And they had a greater chance of working because these were connected to people who needed to buy furniture, and these were the real insights. These were the real pain points. So that was the second thing she did. The third thing she worked on was growing the visibility with SEO content and local search instead of simply posting. She, so first they had decided to fix the basics. Now, what are the three basics that she worked on here? She fixed the Google business profile, updated photos, opening hours, reviews, categories, added the keywords like space saving furniture, modular sofa, ergonomic office chairs, and the photos of that. Then she worked on the website basics, created simple landing pages around the basic theme of sofa come bed for small room, office chairs for back support, and used basic SEO like proper title, keywords, and internal links. Simple things, basic things, they were. And then also she prepared a content plan of using, especially focusing on blogs and short posts. Say, for example, five space saving, you know, furniture ideas for small apartments. How to choose a right chair if you work from home. So things that can really move customers' problems, right? And within 6 weeks, website traffic increased from almost zero to 900 visitors per month, and 60% of the traffic came from search queries they had never targeted before. So this visibility started growing with this SEO content and local search. Then she initiated social media with strategy, not noise, right? So instead of random posts like new sofa in stock, she defined very clearly three themes, right? Her theme was space saving hacks, work from home comfort, real homes, and before and after. And she chose formats like reel, carousel, stories, short Q&A posts, etc. And finally, the calls to action like direct message me for price, DM for price, book a consultation, visit our showroom. And she, in sync with that, she tracked saves and shared, not just likes, DMs asking for prices and visits because that's what she was driving, right? So she tracked that. And clicks to WhatsApp and website and stores as well. And her best performing content wasn't product only, it was problem solving. Like three simple ways to make your living room look bigger. Her social media mindset had evolved by now from showing product to solving real life problems visually. So that's what happened in this stage of initiating social media. Then she tested paid ads with small budgets and learning goals. Neha used small intelligent ad tests instead of big blind specs and ran three different Facebook, Instagram ad sets. One showed product only. Second was problem focused ad, no space, try this. Offer based ad, free interior consultation plus 5% off. And she used different audiences, radius around stores, interest based, website visitors, and she A/B tested of A/B testing she did of headlines and images. And what were the results after 4 weeks? You know, on the three campaigns, the best campaign was in the second one, the problem based, where the CTR was 2.9%, generated 18 leads, and there were 7 store visits, followed by offer based and product only. So she knew what to focus on. And she learned basically that messages plus target audience matter more than the budget, and ads that talk like people think perform better than polished but generic ads. Simple but makes sense, doesn't it? Then she automated follow-ups and capture lead. To avoid losing leads, she added a simple lead form on the website, connected Facebook leads and Google Sheet, and created a WhatsApp follow-up template. Say, for example, hi, so and so, thanks for checking out our space saving furniture. Here are 3 options based on your room size. And there, with that, she was just not posting anymore, just not plain posting anymore. She was building a mini digital funnel, right? So that's what she did in automating follow-ups and capturing leads. Then last part was learning from analytics and pivoting like a pro every week. Remember the word every week. Neha checked Google Analytics, which pages got most visits, which devices, which location. Checked Facebook, Instagram Insights, which posts saved, shared most, which age group engaged most. Checked conversation, how many leads turned into the store visits, which campaigns brought the best customers. And she discovered that women from 35 to 40 were the highest customers. Reels showing, my tiny apartments transform had 3x more saves, and weekday evening posts work better than weekend mornings. And as a result, she shifted her entire content and ad strategy around these insights, calculated this based on learnings. So, what were the results after 5 months? Let's take a look at the two aspects of the result. For the furniture store, website leads moved from 0 to 140 per month, a dramatic change. Store visits started coming from the leads, 25 to 30 a month. And new customers from the digital campaign started coming 8 to 12 a month. Revenue growth attributed to digital went to 18 to 20% increase. And owners started investing more in digital than in newspaper. Isn't that you want as a digital marketer? Now, what were the results for Neha's career? She documented everything as a professional case study, right? That was important. That's what you should also do for your success. And created a simple portfolio website in which she showed before and after screenshots, strategy explanation, matrices, and business impact. And she started applying for digital marketing roles and freelance clients with, campaigns like for herself. The campaigns like, here is exactly how I helped this local business grow revenue by 20% with digital marketing in 4 months. And she showed that. And this changed how interviewers looked at her, and not as a fresher, but as a practical digital marketer. And as a result, she was hired as a digital marketing executive as a larger agency, and also got 2 freelance clients on the side. So, what did Neha learn? What were the core principles of excellence in digital marketing? Can we draw from this? First, digital marketing excellence is about understanding people deeply, not just tools, right? That's a common thing. Digital tools are tools, but ultimately it's the people, customers that you need to understand. You need to start with clear outcomes, not platforms. Not You need to start with leads, revenue, visits, sign up. So you need to start with what kind of business do you want to build monthly basis, and hence how many customers do you need, how many leads do you need, etc. etc. You need to combine SEO, content, social media, ads, analytics. All of them work together, not separately. Start with testing small and learn fast. A/B testing is your best friend. So test fast. Don't splurge your money right away. Use data as a teacher, not as a decoration. So data, you need to learn from data and then build real case studies. They are more powerful than any certificate. So let's take a look at this personal growth ladder from a beginner to digital marketing professional. So you start as a curious user of digital marketing, where she was randomly posting online. From there, she shifted to understood that posting is not marketing. She became a structured learner. You can by doing the courses where she learned the concept and also learned that she need to work with practice together. Then she became a hands-on implementer, applied skill to her store in real business, real estate. Then she became a measurable marketer by linking campaigns to revenue through matrices and ROI matters. And lastly, she became an in-demand professional. What she has was an agency job and freelance client. That proves that the proof of results is what gets you career growth. So, what is the final takeaway for us? As a successful career in marketing and in the digital, internet, and social media marketing is built by not knowing every tool, but by knowing a few tools deeply to create real business results. At an individual level, excellence in digital marketing comes from practicing on a real business, even if it is your own or a friend's. Treating campaigns as experiment with hypotheses and matrices. Building portfolio case studies that show from problem to strategy to actions to numbers to learning. So that's my final takeaway for you. So what do we do in the next module? So we get on with looking at overview of digital marketers role. A lot of things we have already learned, but let's systematically look at through a job description. So thank you so much for watching this introductory case study. I hope you're beginning to learn new things, beginning to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.